Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Bamboo Lab A1 AMS light filament failure to feed, clog and sensor troubleshooting. Fix 1. Check for broken filament in the PTFE tubes. Unload the filament and turn off the printer. Now press down on the locking ring, black or color, to disconnect the PTFE tubes from both the AMS light and the tool head. Now hold the tubes up to the light and check for broken filament pieces inside. If you find a blockage, push it out gently using a straight piece of 1.75 mm filament or a thin, smooth rod. Reconnect the PTFE tube securely before loading the filament again. Fix 2. Inspect the extruder gear and hot end. Heat the nozzle to the recommended printing temperature for the loaded filament. Now release the extruder tension lever and remove the filament. Check whether the filament end is flattened, chewed, or ground down by the extruder gears. If you hear clicking or skipping, inspect the extruder gears and remove any plastic debris. If the nozzle is partially clogged, clean it before reloading the filament. Fix 3. Clean the AMS light filament hub. Disconnect all PTFE tubes from the filament hub on top of the tool head. Now carefully disassemble the filament hub by following the official procedure. Remove any broken filament fragments, dust, or debris inside the hub and around the filament sensor. Now reassemble the hub, reconnect the PTFE tubes, and test filament loading again. Fix 4. Check PTFE tube curvature and length. Ensure every PTFE tube is fully inserted into its connector. Inspect the tubes for sharp bends, kinks, or signs of wear. Avoid using custom PTFE tubes longer than approximately 115 cm, as extra length increases feeding resistance. Route the tube with smooth, gentle curves to reduce friction and help the AMS light feed filament reliably. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.